Good morning and welcome to the channel. I'm on the way to the mountain. Today will be a very strong day. I have to go around 1000 meter higher on the foot, and will be around I think one way is around 14 miles, but I'm not sure about that. But is around 4.5 hour walk.
So I now looked at the exact date. It's not 14 miles, but 14 kilometers. Is exactly 8.75 miles, and not 1000 meter high, but 800 meter high. So now you have the exact thing. But we have needed around 4 hours. So I arrived. It's, as you can see, it's pretty sunny. Not many clouds here. Very nice. So let's go out. So I'm on the way. Now it's still flat, but it will be different in about 1 mile. Then we will go really up. Just let us see how the climate is. Really hard. The others are in front of me, as expected, of course. And I will walk slowly, because I have my Canon with me with the lens, 5 kilos. I have my drone with me. The gimbal I left at home. I decided no gimbal today. Food and water, so I have around 18 kilograms with me, and you see only mountain. Wow. But the view is fantastic. It's quite difficult. I'm in the cloud. I will be soon be up, maybe 30 minutes or so, and I will be on the top. Hey, ich habe es auch geschafft. Hure sicher. Aha. Aha. Komm mal rauf. Yeah, Baby. Das ist geil. Das ist geil. The weather has changed. Now I will go down.
I made it.
I made it to the cabin! So the weather is not so good. All my clothes are wet. Well, not all my clothes, but the backpack was open. Sadly, it opened. Too much stuff in it, and so when I walk down, it rained a lot. So everything is now wet. including the backpack itself inside, of course, and the stuff inside. But the clothes, luckily I have a dry bag, so this was in the dry bag, just to be real sure that I have clothes that are not wet. So today we will definitely do nothing. So it's 4 a.m. in the morning and it's a clear sky, so I'll try to take some picture. Well, my clothes are dry now, that's good. Next day in the morning, and looked like it's a beautiful day. I just woke up, so I'm a little bit tired still. It's around 10 o'clock now. I was awakened at 6 o'clock because then it was too bright to take some picture. Yeah.